Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Are you curious about Vanish mod on Instagram chat? In this video, we're going to learn about what Vanish mode is and how to activate it. Alright, Vanish mode feature is a feature that allows you to make the message, photos, videos, links, and other content disappear when a private chat ends. Alright, and then how to activate it, let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram app on your phone, and then you have to go to your direct message on Instagram, and choose the room chat that you wanna turn on the Vanish mode, and I'll go with this chat. And then if you want to activate the Vanish mode, you just have to swipe up your screen like this. Alright, and now the Vanish mode has been turned on, and you have to remember that if everyone in the chat has seen the message, it will disappear when you close the chat. Okay guys, that's how we can activate Vanish mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.